Temu account restricted. How to fix Temu account restriction. In order to fix a restricted Temu account, you can first identify the trigger, whether it was a payment dispute, cancelled high-value orders, or flagged security activity. If you're using the app on your Android phone, you could long press the Temu app icon, then tap on the I button that says App Info, then go to Storage Usage, then clear the cache files and also clear the data. Then, what you could also do is, if none of these were helping, you might have to try to contact the team support via chat or email to appeal the restriction. You can go to the U tab from the bottom right corner, then tap on the customer support icon from the top right hand side. Then from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on the Contact Us button and contact Temu as to why your account was restricted and what are the things that you can do to unrestrict. This way, you can fix Temu account restrictions. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.